morning, students. I welcome to you all in my digital classroom once again. In our last class, I explained about the meaning, properties, some important patterns and facts related to square number. Today, I am going to discuss about how to find out the square of a number. Let's see. We can find out the square of number in many ways. The first method that I am going to show you, that is by following algebraic identities. Say I like to find out the square of 67. Okay, so 67 can be written 60 plus 7 whole square. I am going to follow the algebraic identity a plus b whole square. Earlier also I told you, for though we have not started algebraic identity, but three identities, at least three identities, like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a square minus b square, you have to memorize it. So here in this case I'm going to apply a plus b whole square. Then 67 square can be written 60 plus 7, where 60 is a, to be will be treated as a, and 7 will be treated as b. That means a square plus twice ab plus b square. So 60 square is 3600, and product of these three numbers I'm getting 840, and square of 7 is 49. On adding all those things, I'm getting 4489. That means the square of 67 is 4489. Let's take another example, 98 square. So 98 can be written 100 minus 2. That means I can follow the algebraic identity, second identity, that is a minus b whole square, where a is 100 and b is 2. That means a square minus twice ab plus b square. So a square means 100 square minus twice ab, 2 into 100 into 2, plus b square is 2 square. So on squaring, I am getting 10,000 minus 400 and plus 4. So, and after solving this part, the result coming 9604. So this is the way we can find out the square of two-digit number. Now, by following box method, we can by box method we can find out two-digit number, three-digit number, or four-digit number, any number. The procedure is same. Okay, suppose I like to find out the square of 74 in box method or checker box method. Okay, let's see how we can do it. 74 square. So first of all, we have to draw a square box like this. Okay, now divide into 4 equal parts. So 2 parts in each row. Okay, so now you have to draw the diagonal of each part. Clear? And you have to write down 74, 7 4 on the horizontal line and 7 4 on vertical line. Now find out the product. 7 7 is 49, 4 will be the 10 place, and 9 will be unit place. Similarly, 7 4 28, 2 is the 10 place, and 8 will be in unit place. Now next multiplication, 4 into 7 28, 2 is the 10 place and 8 is for unit place, and 4 4 ja 16, 1 and 6. Okay, now bring down the sum of the all digits. So from this box I am getting 6 only, and if we add 8 plus 1 plus 8, I am getting 17. So 17, I will write down the 7 here, and 1 will be carry forward to next box. So here 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14. So I will write here 4, and I will again shift the carry the next box. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Hence the result is 5476. So by box method we can find out the square of 74 this way. Let's see what happens if 3 digits are there. So similarly, in case of 3 digit, again we have to draw a big box, okay, square box, and divide it to 3 equal part, vertically and horizontally. Okay, then I have got how many small square? Okay, 3 3 is 9. Clear? So now we have to find out the diagonal. Draw the diagonal of each box. This. Okay, all box. Clear? Now write down the 1 3 6 in before the each box. 1 3 6 1 3 6. Now find out the product. 1 1 ja 1, that is we can write on 0 1. 1 3 ja 3 0 3, 1 6 ja 6 0 6. Now again here 3 1 ja 3, that is 0 3, 3 3 ja 9, that means 0 9, 3 6 ja 18, 1 and 8. Now last product is 6 1 ja 6 0 6, 6 3 ja 18, 1 and 8, and 6 6 ja 36, 6 3 here and 6 here. Now write down the result. The result of this box is 6. Result of the sum of the digit here, 18, 19. Okay, so 9 will be here and 1 will be forward to the next box. So 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 9 17, 17 plus 1 18, 18 plus 6 24. 4 will be here, 2 will be shifted to next box. So here 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8. So here I have written 8, and what is the sum of this box? Is 1 only and nothing is here. So result is 1 8 4 9 6. This is the square of 136 square. This way we can frame any number and solve the and you can get the result of square by box method. Okay, let's see another method. So by following Vedic method, this is very interesting. You will like it, I think. So without any performing any calculations, you can find out the square of any number ending with 5. So initially we will be taking an example of 2-digit number. 2-digit numbers ending with 5s are what? 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. So here the limitation is the numbers should be ended with 5. Okay, let's see what is the step. Suppose I like to find out the square of 35 square, 45 square, 65 square, 95 square, and 3 digit also have taken one example, 125 square. Okay, and what is the method of doing it? I have written the all numbers here. Now see, whenever you are going to find the square of any number ending with 5, one result is common, that is 5 5 is 25. Say in case of 35, so what will be the square? 25, it will be 25 only, 5 5 is 25. Leaving the digit 5, what is the rest number? 3. You have to multiply it by one more. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So 12. So 35 square is 1225. So without any calculation, you can find out the square. Similarly, in case of 45 square, so one result is common, 25, and leaving 5, what is the next digit? 4. You have to multiply it by 5, one more digit, that is 4 5 is 20. Okay, that means 45 square is equal to 2025. Similarly, in the next number, you see 95 square. So 5 square is 25. Okay, and leaving 5, what is the next number? 9. One more, 10. So 9 10 ja what? 90. So 95 square equals to 90 25. Now what about the 3 digits number? See, here also one result is common, that is 25, and leaving 5, what is the rest number? 12. It's one more, 13. 13 12 ja what? 156. Then what is the square of 125? 125 square is equal to 15625. Clear? So you can apply, you can practice at home taking this example. If you are not getting the meaning, you replay the video again and again, automatically it will come to you. Okay, now another way, when the numbers are not ending 5, any numbers ending with 5, still we can find out the square of that number by following Vedic method. Okay, so now suppose I'm taking 2 examples only, 67 and 43. How can I find out the result without calculation in Vedic method? You see, 67 whole square. First step is what? Whatever the digits are here, digits are 6, 7 and 2. Okay, numbers. So you have to multiply it, all the digits, 6, 7, 2. What is the result coming? 84. Clear? Now you find out the square of 6. What is the result? 36. Now find the square of 7. 49. And you write down the result 84 just below it, leaving one digit from your right hand side. Now find the sum of the result. Okay, the sum of its number is 4489. Hence, the 67 square is 84489. Clear? Now, another example I am giving you. 43. 43. So, what are the product of the digits? 4, 3 and 2 comes to 24. Now, what is the square of 4? 16. Square of 3, 09. Remember, when we find out the square of the digit should be 2 digit. Okay, if it is not, then you have to put a 0 before that. So make it 2 digit. Okay, now write down the 24 just below it, leaving 1 digit from your right hand side like this. Okay, find the sum of the result. Okay, so it is coming 1849. Hence 43 square equals to what? 1849. Have you understood? Then again I am saying, if you have not understood, replay the video, you will come to know. And still then, if you are not getting the meaning, you will ask to me in my WhatsApp number. Okay, that I will give you later on. Now, Pythagoras triplet. What is Pythagoras triplet? Pythagoras triplets are the collection of 3 such numbers where the square of the greater one is equal to sum of the square of other two members. You are in class 8 already. Pythagoras theorem was in your class 7 also. I have discussed. Still, I am just recapitulating your previous memory. Okay. Suppose these are the number 3, 4, 5. Okay. 3, 4, 5. What is the greatest number here? 5. 5 square 25, 3 square 9 and 4 square 16. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. That means square of the longest one equals to square of other two sides. This is called Pythagoras triplets. Okay. Now another example, 6, 8, 10. 10 square, greatest number is the 10. 10 square 100, 8 square 64, 6 square 36. On adding 64 and 36, I am getting 100, that is equals to the greatest number square. Okay. So this way another member also I am giving you 5, 12, 13. 13 square equals to 169, 12 square 144, 5 square 25. So 144 or 25 comes to 169. These are called Pythagoras triplet. But I have given the 3 numbers to you and you are just testing. But in question, what happens? I will give you one member. Okay, I will give you one member and you have to find out the other 2 members by following certain rules. So in case of Pythagoras triplet, when one member is given, how to find out the other members? This is the expression. Expression is that whatever the first number is given, that would be treated as a 2m. Okay, 2m. From that you have to find out the value of m, and others members expressions are m square minus 1, m square plus 1, where value of m will be greater than 1. Okay. Now example, say I've given a number, first member is 12. Okay, here first member is 12. Okay, then 2m equals to 12. What is the value of m equal? Then 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Clear? So 6 is the value. Then what will be the other members? The m square minus 1, that is 6 square minus 1, m square plus 1, that is 6 square plus 1. I am getting 35 and 37. Clear? So then Pythagoras triplets are, one member already is given. You have to count this one also, 12, 35, 37. Clear? So this way we can find out the members of the Pythagoras triplet. Okay. So now this is the normal process, but in Vedic method also we can find out the Pythagoras triplets in easiest way. Let's see the first example. Okay, very easy method, no need to calculate too much. Suppose I like to find out the Pythagoras triplets where one member is given 7, which is odd. Okay, so, say this is the right triangle, and Pythagoras triplet, you know, always it is applicable for right triangle only. One member, say altitude, is given 7. How to find out its base and hypotenuse? You see, whatever the member is given, okay, procedure is whatever the member is given, first make it square. 7 square, 7 square is 49. make it half. 49 by 2, that is 24.5. Make it whole. To make it a whole, so either we have to deduct 0.5 or we have to add 0.5. So if we deduct 0.5 from 24.5, I am getting 24, and if we add 20.5, then I am getting 25. Hence, the Pythagoras triplets are 7, 24 and 25. Clear? Let's see one more example. Here, one member is given whose value is 9. How to find out the other values? Same procedure. Procedure is find the square of 9, 81, make it half. When you make it half, 81 by 2, I am getting 40.5. So make it whole, it will be either 40 or 41. Okay, if I add then 41, if I deduct 40, hence the member of the Pythagoras triplets are 40, 9 and 41. Clear? Now one thing you remember here, so whatever the example I have given, taken the first number, one member, that was odd. What happens if I take the value of even number, say 20, okay? One of the member given 20. So I cannot directly apply the rules which what we have already applied in other cases, okay? When even number is given. What to do? Whatever the member is given, we have to split into two factors, 2 or 3 factors, such a way at least one of the member will be odd. So 20 we can divide in as 2 and 10, 2 in 2 10 ja 20, but 2 also even, 10 also even. So we cannot take it. What is the other combination? 4 into 5. 4 is even, but 5 is odd. Yes, it can fulfill our purpose. So 20 can be written as 5. How? 20 divided by 4, I am getting 5. Once you are getting an odd number, follow the odd number rules. Find its square, 25. Make it half, 25 by 2, that is 12.5. Make it whole, it will be either 12 or 13. But this 12 and 13 you have got after dividing by 4. So now we have to increase by multiplied by 4. So whatever the member you have got here, multiplied by 4, that is 12 multiplied by 4 is 48, and 13 multiplied by 4 is 52. Okay, then the Pythagoras triplets are 20, 48 and 52. Clear? This is the Pythagoras triplet. Now some tasks I am giving you. All those questions, whatever I have explained in different method to find the square, it is there. So at home you will just solve it with if diagram is required, you will draw the diagram also in your fair notebook if you have, or you can do it on a rough notebook also. Okay, and complete your tasks before Saturday. Okay, so this is all about this presentation. We'll back on Saturday again. Okay, till then, bye bye and take care of your health.